Maintenance, repair, and operations is part of the core Deacom ERP. It allows for using the same production schedule when we go to do our scheduling, both from a maintenance perspective and a production perspective. It also allows for the ability to use the same planning tools around MRP for purchasing, requisition management, and everything also flows right to accounting, just like if we were buying a raw material. So from an accounting perspective, all those orders are coming to them in the same manner. So as we look at some of the functions here, we start with a work center or machine. This is where we're going to set up some of the specifics around what type of maintenance needs to be done and when does it need to be done within the software. So what we see here on the left-hand side is just some of the standard information around where is this located in the facility, what is the manufacturer, and some specific serialized information about that product. We also can create a tree of where that line one goes. So line one has a machine and a packager. The machine may have its own components, and even down to the motor may have its own components. This just allows for proper reporting back to line one or all the way down to the electrical component of that particular motor. As we set up for preventative maintenance, we can set these up in different levels of reoccurring. So things such as calendar days, hours used. Maybe we even connect this to the machine where we can get some metered information based on the quantity produced possibly. And then we're going to set that frequency. We also can identify any bill of materials that we may need, in this case, when we do our annual maintenance. As we move over and we look to actual scheduling of our maintenance tasks, and as I mentioned there, we can use the same production schedule that we would be using to produce our goods. So what we're seeing here is everything that is due for maintenance. And to create a maintenance work order within the software, we're just selecting the order, creating that work order in the system, and then being able to go in and then schedule this within the software.